is not used, we can make it so that it is masked, like it's obfuscated, or we can even just remove it entirely. So those are some of the things we have to keep in mind when we're talking about control of model access and data access. Agent access is most dangerous because the agents can act and not just respond. So an agent, an AI agent can go on your system and just delete stuff, right? If you allow it to, it can just go on and delete stuff. So how can you control this? How can you fix these things? We want to make sure it doesn't have things like full control over your email, like where it could just email anybody or delete any emails it wants. We want to make sure that things like payments, like you can't just go onto a financial system and start making payments or reducing payments or something on its own without human intervention. If we have access, if we give it an agent access to the calendar, maybe it only has read only